in 10th standard. So today we are going to start the another one video of your periodic classification of element, and that we are going to discuss about modern periodic table. In my previous one lecture, we already discussed about the needs of classification of elements. Then after that, the earlier attempts which were made by the scientist, that was first one, Dobrena triad. Then after that, we also discussed about Newland law of octave, and as well as in my one video we explained in detail about the Mendeleev periodic table, Mendeleev periodic law, as well as limitations of Mendeleev periodic table. Fine, bache. So now today in this lecture I am going to explain about modern periodic law. Okay. Now in this one, modern periodic law, as you can see that this law is basically about based on atomic number. But before this, whatever the attempts were done by the scientists, that was only on the basis of atomic number. But in this one, the first time scientists categorize the properties of elements on the basis of their atomic numbers. So the modern periodic law tell us about that the physical and chemical properties of elements are the periodic functions of their atomic numbers. बेटा ये इसका मतलब ये है कि जितनी भी प्रॉपर्टीज किसी एलिमेंट में शो होती हैं, that is only because of its atomic number. Okay, and that means that why they are based on atomic number, because that is because of the periodicity, or you can say that it also becomes the reason of periodicity. Now what is in periodicity? There it is. So in this one it is the after certain regular interval outermost shell electronic configuration that repeat it, and because of which their all physical as well as chemical properties becomes same, and that becomes main base of modern periodic law. ठीक है बच्चे, क्या मतलब हुआ इसका कि आपकी जितने भी एलिमेंट्स हैं उन सब की जो प्रॉपर्टीज होती हैं वो सेम इसलिए होती हैं किसी पर्टिकुलर ग्रुप में, क्योंकि उनका जो आउटर मोस्ट कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है वो क्या रहता है, एक रिपीटेड पैटर्न में रहता है, एक सर्टेन इंटरवल के बाद वो अपने को क्या करता है, रिपीट करता है, एंड दिस इज just become the reason for Mendeleev periodic law. Now this one in modern periodic table is basically, as I already told you, that modern periodic table is basically depend on atomic number of elements. बेटा किस पे डिपेंड करता है, atomic number पर ये बेस था, और atomic number which is denoted by symbol Z. I just want to repeat it here as you have studied in your 9th standard also, that atomic number can be defined as the total number of protons present in nucleus of an atom, or sometime we can say that atomic number is also equals to the number of electron present in these shells of or present in various shells of an atom of element. ठीक है बच्चे? So on the basis of that, the classification was done, and in this one also, this periodic table is also divided into groups and periods, and there were basically the 18 vertical columns. कितने vertical columns use किए गए इसके अंदर? There were 18 vertical columns were there in modern periodic table, and these 18 vertical columns are known as groups, whereas 7 horizontal rows, जैसे कि बेटा आपके मेंडलीव में थी ठीक वैसे ही इसमें भी 7 horizontal rows यूज की गई, and which were known as the periods. उनको हमने क्या कहा? periods का. ठीक है बच्चे? Now elements which is present in the same period, ठीक है? Element which were present in same period have same number of shells. ठीक? एक पीरियड में जितने भी एलिमेंट्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं उनका दैट इज हैविंग द सेम नंबर ऑफ शेल. जैसे कि के अगर फर्स्ट पीरियड है तो सब में क्या होगा? आपका के शेल होगी. अगर सेकंड पीरियड है तो एल शेल होगी. अगर थर्ड पीरियड है तो एम शेल होगी, एंड सो ऑन. And whereas if we are saying that if we move from left to right in a given period, so obviously number of electrons that goes on increases in valence shell. Means अगर if we are talking about the K shell, हम K shell में कर रहे हैं तो फर्स्ट ग्रुप का मेंबर जो होगा K shell में फर्स्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन लेगा, सेकेंड ग्रुप का मेंबर एक इलेक्ट्रॉन और एड ऑन हो जाएगा. सिमिलरली अगर मैं एल शेल की बात करती हूँ तो दैट विल represent the second period, and in second period one electron, the first one electron enter in group 1, second electron in group 2, then third electron enter in the 13th group, then fourth electron will enter into the 14th group. So ऐसे करके 1 to 8 जो होंगे आपकी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एंटर होती रहेंगी, जबकि नंबर ऑफ शेल्स दैट विल रिमेन सेम. ठीक है? वो क्या रहेंगी? सेम रहेंगी इस केस में. वेयर when all the elements of a group of periodic table have same number of valence electron. ठीक है? क्या बात करी हमने कि जबकि अगर हम डाउन द ग्रुप बात करें, डाउन द ग्रुप आपका जो वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन होंगे मींस आउटर मोस्ट शेल के जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होंगे देयर नंबर विल रिमेन सेम. ओके बच्चे? So that number will remain same, and on the basis of these, that is divided, as I already told you, that in modern periodic table there are 7 periods. The first period, because that is a K shell, so it contains only 2 electron, so there are only 2 elements in it, present in it. That is one first electron enter in the first group, and that is known as the what? That is known as the your hydrogen. Hydrogen, one electron enter in it, and whereas the second electron enter in the helium. So it is second electron is helium, and this is the shortest one period we can say. Here it is. Then second period beta and third period, both of these two period contain 8 elements. कितना element present रहता है इनमें? 8 elements, and these are also known as short periods because both of these two periods contain only 8 electrons, or we can say 8 elements, because in this both of these two first shell contains 2 electrons, तो पहला period 2 electron का है. Second and third period contains 8 electrons, so second and third period is having 8 elements in it. That is, in second period it is from lithium to neon, whereas in third period it is from sodium to argon. Whereas when we are talking about the fourth period and the fifth period, then both of these contain 18 elements. कितना element होता है इनमें? 18, क्योंकि 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32 इस तरीके से चलता है. So the fourth period contains elements from potassium to krypton, whereas fifth period that contains means from left to right in a horizontal row, it contains rubidium to xenon, whereas the sixth period that contains 32 elements that from cesium and radon in this, and this is the longest one period. बेटा इसके अंदर lanthanoids और transition elements भी आते हैं. तो और seventh period जो है अभी completely discover नहीं हुआ है, so it is an incomplete period. So these are all about the seventh period present in modern periodic table, whereas when we are talking about the groups present in modern periodic table, then there are total 18 vertical columns present in modern periodic table, and which are known as group, and these groups are moving from top to bottom. ये बेटा आपके इस तरीके से top to bottom आने पे होते हैं. Total groups we have 18, and in which group number 1 element is known as alkali metal. Group 2 elements are known as alkaline earth metal. Group 15 elements are known as nicogens, where P is silent. Group 16 elements are known as chalcogens. Group 17's elements are known as halogens, whereas the group 18 elements are known as noble gases. ठीक है बेटा. So these are total 18 groups present in your modern periodic table, and these basically depend, the names of these groups are basically depend upon their properties, कि वो particular एक type की properties दिखाते हैं, due to which they were named, or they are named as alkali, alkaline, nicogens, chalcogens, halogens and noble gases. Whereas from group 15, these are also known as their first member family also. ये हमारी first member की family भी कहलाती है. Like 15th group is known as nitrogen family. Group 16 elements are known as oxygen family. Group 17, which are also known as halogens, that is also known as fluorine family. Whereas if I am talking about the noble gases or group number 18 element, then these are also known as the helium family. So बच्चे हम बात कर रहे थे कि वो क्या होती है. That is basically based on their first member, because the first member of all these groups a little bit behave differently with comparison to rest of the members of group. अगला आ जाते हैं, how we can classify a modern periodic table. So basically, as I already discussed in my previous lectures with you, that elements whichever are occur in today's date, that can be classified in basically in three categories, that is metals, non-metals and metalloids. So in modern periodic table also, uh, our modern periodic table is also classified on the basis of these metals, non-metals and metalloids, where metals are usually better the such elements which are electropositive in nature. And why they are electropositive? Because they can easily lose electron. They are ready to lose their electron and form a positive charge on that. ठीक है, and becomes or converted themselves into cation or positive ion, and that's why, because of which they are known as electropositive in nature. Okay, and oxides of generally इनकी properties क्या क्या होती हैं. So oxides of metals, these metals are usually basic in nature. बेटा जब ये metals जो हैं, when they react with oxygen, then they form bases, and that's why these oxides nature is basic. If I am talking about the other one category of non-metal, then non-metals are those elements which are ready to accept electrons. ठीक है? Which are ready to accept electrons, and because after gaining electron, they occupy, yeah, they possess, they bear a negative charge on them, and that's why these elements or these non-metals are electronegative in character. इनका nature जो होता है वो कैसा होता है? electronegative होता है. These oxides, when such type of a non-metal react with oxygen, they form oxides, and these non-metal oxides are usually or generally acidic in nature. Okay बच्चे, next property आ जाती है which is a very very important property. So metalloids, there it is. Metalloids are those elements which shows properties of both metals as well as non-metals. But these elements are usually the known as either metalloids or semi-metals. Means they can show the properties of metal as well as they can show the properties of non-metals, and these elements generally lie in the borderline of separation of metals and non-metal, and that's why because they lie in the borderline of metal and non-metal, these are showing the characteristic of both, that is metals and non-metals, और जिसकी वजह से हम इन्हें मेटलॉइड्स कहते हैं. इनका नेचर जो होता है ये मेटल की तरह भी बिहेव करता है और नॉन मेटल की तरह भी बिहेव करता है. लाइक अगर इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द ऑक्साइड्स ऑफ दीज मेटलॉइड्स, देन दे फॉर्म both type of oxides, acidic as well as they can show basic oxides also. And the example of such elements or metalloids are silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony, tellurium, and polonium. So beta, here you can see, have a look. This is the periodic table basically, and here you can see that there are, this is the group number 1. If I am going to count, तो मैं आपको यहाँ पे समझा देती हूँ. This is period number 1, period number 2, period 3, period 4, period 5, period number 6, and period number 7. So here 7 periods are present. If I am talking about the ग्रुप्स, अगर हम बात करते हैं ग्रुप्स की, तो ग्रुप्स में देखिए बच्चे, here it is group number 1, then there is group number 2, ठीक है. This is group number 3, group number 4, vertical lines बतानी है ना, group number 5, group 6, group 7, group 8, group 9, 10, 11, 12, this is group 13, group 14, group 15, group 16, group 17, and group number 18. Okay? So if we are talking about the groups, then there are in total कितने groups हैं? There is group number 18. So total groups there are 18. अगर आप पूछते हैं कि मैम what about these two? So these two, ये जो दो हैं, these two also comes under the category or group number 3 element. ये भी दोनों किसके अंदर आते हैं? थर्ड ग्रुप के मेंबर्स होते हैं आपके. If you can see here, it is from 57 to 71. ये रहा आपका बेटा लेंथेनाइट सीरीज इसे कहा जाता है पूरी, जो कि 57 to 71 आती है. एंड अनदर वन इफ यू कैन सी हेयर, दिस ग्रुप थर्ड ग्रुप में ही आपका अगला आ रहा है जो कि आपका 7th पीरियड का है. ये 6th पीरियड के मेंबर्स होते हैं. फर्स्ट सीरीज ये 6th की है और ये एक्टिनॉइड सीरीज दैट इज ऑफ 7th पीरियड एंड इट is from 89 to 103. ठीक है, ये actinoid series होती है. So this is all about, we can say, of our modern periodic table, and we will in our next lecture we will study about the trends which is shown in modern periodic table of elements properties. Till that time, beta, thank you to everyone. And if you have any doubt, then just go through again the video. Okay, so thank you.